Hello guys, my name is Christine.
You can call me Joseph.
My name is Ivan and this is our vlog.
Hello, my name is Su Yuan. You can call me Joseph, that's my English name. I'm an exchange student here in DHBV and I come from Taiwan. I've already been in Karlsruhe for 1 month and I study business management. I made a bucket list of challenges to finish within my exchange student life because I want to get out of my comfort zone and experience different kinds of stuff. Today, I'm going to cook a German meal with our friends. Los geht's!
What are we going to do?
We're going to cook a Frikadelle.
What?
Frikadelle.
Frikadelle. Yeah, Frikadelle.
Do you know how to prepare it? Have you eaten it before?
Oh,
You have no idea, right?
I have no idea. But
You cannot pronounce it.
Okay, we can try to make it.
How did you discover this meal?
I just searched on top 10 German recipes.
Classic. It's like a classic.
Yeah. I've never cooked a German meal before.
Yeah, me neither. Have never in
First
my
time.
life. Yep.
But don't worry, we'll succeed at the first time.
Hopefully.
Hoffentlich.
So we're just gonna go buy the ingredients and then we'll head to my kitchen.
Okay,
Okay, let's
challenge
go then.
accepted.
Challenge accepted.
Let's go. Dankeschön. Here we are back at the kitchen, ready to prepare the Frikadelle.
And
Frikadelle.
some vegetables in here.
So when we were cooking the onions, a bug just flew into the pan and we all went crazy. Oh, the bug!
Oh, there, yeah.
And when I flipped the frikadelle, I kind of failed.
So yeah,
It looks good to me. It still looks good to me.
Broken but good.
broken but good. So,
And we had like this massive bag of frozen vegetables. And Gloriana just dumped it all into one pot. I don't think we can finish it all.
I think you can.
So we were eating outside and there was a friend passing by, so we just invited her to join our dinner. This is Nian,
Hola.
and let's start to eat.
Yes.
Yay! Today was a long day, but journey was amazing. What do you think, guys? Did we succeed on the bucket list?
I think like we have some troubles maybe.
We have some problems.
Yeah, we were cooking an insect, but
Yeah, we killed
Oh, this was too
we
bad.
killed one insect, but everything else was good.
Yeah, it's still good.
hopefully it was good enough.
Can we check off the eat a German meal with a friend?
Yeah, hopefully yeah.
Hey, come on, more passion.
Yeah!
Yay! Succeed!
I guess like